Dana Myers, and I'm Hoffman's Industry Specialist for Harsh and Corrosive Environments. Today we'll be talking about some important considerations when it comes to specifying enclosures in harsh and corrosive environments. If you've spent time in the field, you've definitely seen some of the signs of corrosion. Typically, you'll end up seeing corrosion around the hinges of metallic enclosures. When it comes to non-metallics, maybe they've become more brittle and you'll see cracks. Fiberglass, you'll start to see what we call fiber bloom, where it starts to get that white dusty appearance on the surface of the enclosure. All of these options in the right environment can be a great application, but there are some decision factors you should take into account when deciding what material to put in those environments. First, it's important to take a closer look at the key drivers that can enhance the corrosive reactions that cause issues like failures, premature fatigue, and different challenges that you'll see in the field. The four top things that you're going to want to account for when looking at specifying an enclosure is the moisture level in the environment, other chemistries that are in the area, the temperature surrounding the enclosure, and different elements of nature that can impact the enclosure itself. There are several strategies to take when specifying enclosures. Today we're going to break it down into 4 key layers to talk through the different levels of protection and different areas that you can impact and reduce the corrosion in the environment. When the scope of the project allows, there's a number of things you can do to pull your enclosures that hold these expensive controls and pieces of equipment out of these harsh environments. In the scenarios where you aren't able to pull your controls out of these harsh environments into environmentally managed areas, it's important to try to manage the exposure that your equipment has to these corrosive elements. The next layer of protection we'll discuss is talking through product capabilities when it comes to protecting the surface of your enclosure. Lastly, we'll talk through some simple solutions that you can add to the inside of your enclosure to help protect it against corrosion.